Are you considering installing a new air conditioning system and find yourself torn between a central air system and a mini split? It's a common dilemma. Central air systems, known for their comprehensive cooling capabilities, and mini splits, celebrated for their flexibility and energy efficiency, both have their merits. But what's the better choice for you? Which is more cost-effective to install and run? Well, worry not. We're here to help you make the best decision for your home. First, let's delve into the world of central air systems. These systems come with a host of advantages. They offer uniform cooling, creating a consistent temperature throughout your entire home. This can be especially beneficial during those hot summer months when you want every corner of your house to be comfortably cool. Central air systems also excel in air filtration, removing allergens and dust particles from the air, promoting a healthier living environment. Plus, all the components are hidden away, keeping your home's aesthetic intact. But every coin has two sides. Central air systems can be more expensive to install, especially if your home doesn't already have the necessary ductwork in place. This could mean a substantial upfront cost. Furthermore, these systems can lead to higher utility bills, especially if the system is not properly maintained and serviced. So, central air systems offer a seamless cooling experience, but with a potentially higher price tag. Now, let's shift our focus to the mini split systems. These systems are gaining popularity for a number of reasons. For starters, they offer individual room control, allowing you to tailor the temperature to each room's needs. This not only maximizes comfort but can also save energy. Another benefit is the ease of installation. Unlike central air systems, mini splits don't require ductwork, making them a great option for older homes or additions where extending existing ductwork might be problematic. Moreover, their energy efficiency is a big plus. With no energy loss through ducts, you're looking at potential savings on your utility bills, but of course there are some downsides. Mini split systems often come with a higher upfront cost. Aesthetic concerns can also arise as these systems are more visible than their central air counterparts. Lastly, for larger homes, you may need multiple indoor units, which can add to the initial cost. Mini split systems offer flexibility and efficiency, but might require a larger initial investment. Now that we've explored both options, you might be wondering which is the right choice for you. Central air systems are generally better for larger homes, while mini splits are a more cost-effective solution for small to medium spaces. Your budget also plays a role, as central air systems are more expensive to install but can be more efficient in the long run. Your personal comfort preferences are just as important. Remember, the best system for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. We hope this comparison has cleared your confusion and will help you make an informed decision.